यो हेरौं त मलाई केही कुरा भन Tell me something Tell me something यस्तै अर्को वाक्य अब मलाई थाहा नभएको कुनै एउटा कुरा भन Tell me something that I don't know Tell me something that I don't know मलाई केही पनि नभन Don't tell me anything Don't tell me anything मलाई केही कुरा थाहा छैन I don't know anything I don't know anything तिमी सधैं मेरो साथी रहनेछौ You will always be my friend You will always be my friend Always भनेको सधैं You will always be my friend अर्को पनि वाक्य म सधैं तिम्रो साथ रहनेछु I will always be with you I will always be with you उनीहरू हाम्रो कुरा कहिल्यै सुन्ने छैनन् They will never listen to us They will never listen to us उनी तिमी जस्तो मान्छेसँग कहिल्यै विवाह गर्ने छैनन् She will never marry someone like you She will never marry someone like you Marry भनेको विवाह गर्नु She will never marry someone like you तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको अभ्यास गरौँ. Are you ready? Let's continue. अगाडि बढौँ. कृपया नियमहरुको पालना गर्नुहोला. Please follow the rules. Please follow the rules. Follow the rules भनेको नियमको पालना गर्नु हो. Please follow the rules. नियमहरू तोड्नकै लागि बनाइएका हुन्. Rules are meant to be broken. Rules are meant to be broken. अर्को वाक्य अब यदि मलाई पास हुनु छ भने मैले कडा अध्ययन गर्नु पर्छ. I need to study hard if I want to pass. I need to study hard if I want to pass. यो वाक्य अब He wants to study with you. ऊ तिमीसँग अध्ययन गर्न चाहन्छ. He wants to study with you. तिमीले नचिनेका मान्छेहरूको भरोसा नगर. Don't trust people you don't know. Don't trust people you don't know. Trust someone भनेको कसैको भरोसा गर्नु. Don't trust people you don't know. म उनलाई भरोसा गर्न चाहन्छु तर उनी राम्रो मान्छे होइनन्. I want to trust her but she is not a good person. I want to trust her but she is not a good person. अब यो अर्को तिमीले सबै थोक आफैले गर्नु पर्दैन. You don't have to do everything on your own. You don't have to do everything on your own. On your own भनेको तिमी आफैले. You don't have to do everything on your own. म यो काम आफैले पूरा गर्नेछु. I will complete this work on my own. I will complete this work on my own. उसले हाम्रो विचारहरू कहिल्यै सुन्दैन. He never listens to our opinions. He never listens to our opinions. Opinions भनेको विचार. He never listens to our opinions. तिम्रो विचारको केही मतलब छैन. Your opinion doesn't matter. Your opinion doesn't matter. तिमीलाई लाग्छ म यो गर्न सक्छु? Do you think I can do it? Do you think I can do it? मलाई लाग्दैन तिमी यो एक्लै गर्न सक्छौ. I don't think you can do it alone. I don't think you can do it alone. Alone भनेको एक्लै अथवा आफैले. I don't think you can do it alone. तिमी उसलाई माया गर्छौ कि घृणा गर्छौ? Do you love him or hate him? Do you love him or hate him? Hate भनेको घृणा गर्नु. Do you love him or hate him? म उसलाई माया गर्छु तर उसको बानीहरू घृणा गर्छु. I love him but I hate his habits. I love him but I hate his habits. अनि के तपाईहरुले यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छ त? सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनु होला र सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनका लागि. के तिमी त्यसबारे पक्का छौ? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? म यसबारे पुरै पक्का छु. I am completely sure about it. I am completely sure about it. Completely भनेको पुरै. I am completely sure about it. केही कुरा पनि सधैँभरि टिक्दैन. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Forever को अर्थ सधैँभरि. Nothing lasts forever. म सधैँभरि बाँच्न चाहन्छु. I want to live forever. I want to live forever. हामीले विगतलाई बदल्न सक्दैनौं. We cannot change the past. We cannot change the past. हामीले वर्तमानमा मात्र ध्यान दिनुपर्छ. We should only focus on the present. We should only focus on the present. र यो एकदमै सही पनि हो. अगाडि बढौं. पहिले म लाज मान्ने गर्थे अथवा पहिले म लजालु थिए I used to be shy in the past I used to be shy in the past भविष्यको चिन्ता नगर Don't worry about the future Don't worry about the future भविष्यमा हामीसँग उड्न सक्ने कारहरू हुनेछन् In the future we will have flying cars In the future we will have flying cars Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला उनीहरूले हाम्रो बारेमा मतलबै गर्दैनन् They don't care about us They don't care about us अब यो मलाई के हुन्छ मलाई वास्ता छैन अथवा मलाई जेसुकै होस् मतलब छैन I don't care what happens to me I don't care what happens to me तिमीले सधैँ अभ्यास गर्नु पर्छ You must practice every day You must practice every day. Practice भनेको अभ्यास गर्नु. You must practice every day. के अंग्रेजी अभ्यास गर्ने सजिलो तरिका छ? Is there an easy way to practice English? Is there an easy way to practice English? अंग्रेजी त्यति गाह्रो होइन. English is not too hard. English is not too hard. तर अभ्यास चाहिँ सधैँ गर्नुपर्छ. You must practice daily. त्यसैले हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू एक गरी हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. Don't forget to watch all videos of Hamro English Guru and Hamro online class. यी सजिलैसँग बुझाइएका भिडियोहरू हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला र साथसाथै अभ्यास गर्न पनि नछोड्नुहोला. आजलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have an amazing day.